and Assalamualaikum. My name is Khadijah, TTC 09220152. Today, me and my friend will talk about hydrocarbon. Did you know, hydrocarbon is any of a class of organic chemical made up of only from the elements carbon and hydrogen. The carbon atoms join together to form the framework of the compound, and the hydrogen atoms attach to them in many different configurations. For details, I will pass to my other friends. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Alina Tasha Umara from DBC 0922000008. So right now I'm going to continue about what is alkane. Alkane is an organic compound that consists of entirely single-bonded carbon and hydrogen atoms and lack of any other functional groups. The general formula for alkane is CnH2n plus 2. So there are so many examples of alkanes such as methane CH4, ethane C2H6, and propane C3H8. So there are several kinds of difference in alkanes, such as the difference between straight chain alkanes and branch chain alkanes. So straight chain alkanes, all the carbon atoms are attached to each other and forming a continuous chain. Whereas branch chain alkanes have sides that attach to a continuous carbon chains. The use of alkenes in pharmaceutical include benzonatate. What is benzonatate? Benzonatate is a non-narcotic antitussive drug that used to suppress coughing. Second one, alkene are used in perindopril. So what is perindopril? Perindopril is SE inhibitors that used to treat hypertension. So that's it for me. Bye.
Hi, my name is Nurhani binti Junaidi and my metric number is DPC 09220178. And I will talk about alkene. Alkene is a class of hydrocarbon, a saturated compound with one carbon-to-carbon double bond. Another term used to describe alkene is olefins. General formula for alkene is CnH2n. Examples of alkenes are ethane C2H4, propane C3H6, and 1-butane C4H8. The difference of alkenes, we can look at chains of carbon. Short chain alkanes have a simple structure and often gas or volatile liquid at room temperature. Ethane and propane are examples of short chain alkanes. Long chain alkanes like hexane and octane have more carbon and higher boiling point, exhibiting different physical and chemical properties. Alkanes used in pharmaceutical to the synthesis of cholesterol, lowering starting drug, often involve the use of alkenes. One well-known statin, atorvastatin, brand name is Lupitol, is synthesized using alkenes as starting material in key step. That is from me. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Elia Novita binti Abdina, DPC 09220016. So I will explain about the alkenes. Alkenes are general molecules made of functional group of carbon-carbon of triple bonds. The general formula for alkenes is CnH2n-2. Ethene, propene, and 1-butane is an example of the alkenes. Next, I will explain about the difference between alkenes and other types of hydrocarbon. This difference is in terms of types and numbers of bonds between alkenes and carbon atoms. Such as alkenes have one single bond, alkenes have at least one double bond, and alkenes have at least one triple bond. That's all from me. Thank you. I will pass to the next person.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Atika Bagis binti Safi'in and my metric number is TPC 09220038. I will explain about the pharmaceutical related with drugs, or known as NSAIDs like ibuprofen. One of the key steps in the synthesis of ibuprofen involved the reaction that introduced a functional group called as aryl group by using alkynes as a starting material. This aryl group is crucial for the drug's activity and interaction with its target in the body. This illustrates how alkynes play a role in creating important structural components of pharmaceutical compounds. So that's all for my part. Thank you.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Nurul Umaira binti Muhammad Nizam. My matric number is TPC 09220063. I'm going to present about aryl. Aryl or aromatic hydrocarbon is a hydrocarbon that contains benzene in it. Benzene is a hydrocarbon that has molecular formula of C6H6 and has a ring structure of 6 carbon atoms with alternating double bonds and single bonds. Each of the carbon has one hydrogen attached to them. General formula for aryl is CnH2n minus 6n, which n equals to the number of carbons and m equals to the number of rings. Example for aryl include benzene, phenol, and aniline. Phenol molecular formula is C6H6O and aniline C6H5NH2. Phenol is when a hydroxyl functional group is attached to a benzene ring, while aniline is when an amine functional group is attached to a benzene ring. The difference between aromatic hydrocarbon and aliphatic hydrocarbon is aromatic hydrocarbon contains at least one benzene ring in it, while aliphatic hydrocarbon does not contain any benzene ring at all. Examples of pharmaceutical use of aryl include chlorhexidine, which is widely used in pharmaceutical fields, and one of them is chemotherapy. This is because chlorhexidine allows control and localized administration of anti-cancer drug. Chlorhexidine also increase the effectiveness of drug delivery and consequently decreasing the side effect. Another example is methyl salicylic, which is used to relieve joint and muscle pain. The third one is phenol, which is used as preservative in pharmaceutical formulation like vaccine. There are a lot of ways to name an aryl, and one of them is when a benzene ring has a substituent excluding functional group attached to it. The substituent position and name must be placed in front of the benzene word. If the substituent has more than one and it is the same, di and tri prefix must be placed in front of the substituent's name. The example for this type of naming is 1,2-dichlorobenzene. That's all from me. Thank you.